In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Mailchimp subscription. If you're looking to pause or end your subscription with Mailchimp, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. First, let's start by heading over to Mailchimp's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Now, once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Simply enter your credentials, and that should take you to your account's home dashboard. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for is the Account and Billing section. Click on that and it will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account details and billing information. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, your next step is to find the Settings option. It's usually located somewhere in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings, and this will bring up a list of different settings you can adjust for your account. In the Settings area, you should now look for Manage My Plan. This is the part where you can make changes to your subscription details. Click on it, and you'll be provided with options to either pause or cancel your plan. If you're sure you want to proceed with canceling, select the Cancel option. Mailchimp may ask you a few questions about why you're canceling your subscription. This is standard procedure, as they aim to improve their services based on customer feedback. You can choose to answer these questions or skip them if you prefer. After you've made your choice, Mailchimp will ask for a final confirmation of your cancellation decision. Make sure to review any details provided, as this might include information about any remaining billing cycles or the availability of your account data after cancellation. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Check your inbox for this email to ensure that the cancellation process has been completed successfully. And that's it! You've now successfully canceled your Mailchimp subscription. Remember, if you ever decide to return, Mailchimp makes it easy to reactivate your account. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clearer for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.